Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to withdraw money from your PiggyVest account before maturity. Now, as you can see, PiggyVest has strict saving plans, which is Piggybank, Safelock, Target Savings, House Money TM. Now, there's also the flexible saving plans, Flex Naira, Flex Dollar. Now, the ones that are very strict are the ones that don't let you withdraw before the withdrawal date. Now, if you click on Piggybank, you will either see a withdrawal or you will not see a withdrawal. I am seeing a withdrawal simply because when I click on it, it is a free withdrawal date. That's why I can see the withdrawal option there. But on a normal note, you will not see the withdrawal option. On Safelock, as you can see, there is no withdrawal option at all. On Target Savings, no withdrawal option. On House Money, they'll definitely not let you withdraw. So once you see that you can withdraw, the other method, the first method is either wait for the withdrawal date without load for Piggybank. The second method is to go to your account, just go there, then go to contact us. Yes, you have to contact them and tell them that you need the money urgently, explain to them and all of that. You can either go to their office, this is their office address right there. You can either call them, go to their office or call them, or simply send them an email with using their email address. You can also contact them on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. I don't think you should go group blog. So you just need to tell them that the money is urgent, you need it urgently for whatever reason. You give a detailed reason and just wait. They will give you your money. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below.